Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Inglis dryer that you can see. This is the front panel, the UIB, and here's the door, and that's the model number. So I took the top lid first. I took it out. After that, this plate comes out, the front panel. That's the back, the top panel. Put it on the side, and then this comes out. You're gonna unhook this wire from the door sensor or the moisture sensor. So unplug it, take the whole drum out. You can see the drum is out there with the belt. This is our Idler Pulley. It's a little bit stiff. These are the roller wheels. Samsung is using exactly the same wheels. So my customer's complaint was that the dryer won't start. The dryer has power, but it will not start. So I knew that this thermostat is blown on it because this customer is using this flexible ventilation hose, which I would not recommend my customers to use it. This is fire hazard. It's also not safe to use, so it affects the heat element. It can overheat the heat element if it gets full of dirt and debris, or it can trip these thermostats or this thermistor. Here's the part number. This thermostat port number is 35001087, and it's this one. So the way I tested it, if you have a multimeter, you can test this for continuity. If you don't have a multimeter, you can unplug these two wires and connect them together, tape it together, and then leave it here, put everything back together and start your dryer. So if your dryer starts, you need to replace this thermostat, and I replaced it today. It's working fine now. I'm gonna put everything back together. I did a very good cleanup too, because this thermostat also blows if you have lots of dirt or garbage build up inside this blower housing, and or if the heat element overheats, it can also blow this. Or sometimes if you run the dryer for a long time and you don't clean your ventilation hose, which is that one, it's very long and it has lots of dirt in it. You can see how it looks from the back. I told my customer that I will replace this thermostat today, but you need to replace this ventilation hose, otherwise it can happen again. So it's fixed now. Also, when you open this dryer apart, make sure to check your wheels, these roller wheels, make sure they're spinning freely. You may also have to lubricate these. You can use turbine oil to lubricate them, and if they have hair buildup in them or some garbage and debris, clean that too. This one is a little bit stiff. I'm going to put some lubrication and do a little bit cleanup. I will also lubricate this Idler Pulley. And this one is an old style Idler Pulley. On these dryers and Samsung dryers, they have a new modified Idler Pulley. Those are kind of expensive too, but if my customers are getting problem with the Idler Pulley, I would replace it with those ones. I would not order the same one, because these are shitty. They are not very nice. The new Idler Pulley comes with the bearing at the center of it. So, and here if you look at the back, and here there is no bearing, it's just a piece of steel that holds the bearing in place. But on new Idler Pulley, at the center they have a bearing, which is really smooth, and I love those are the best. So the motor is in good shape. You can run it and see. I will also have to lubricate these. This one is okay, that's okay too. Also, before you put everything back together, if you fix a heat element on a dryer, or a safety thermostat, or thermistor, or idler pulley, or if you replace anything on a dryer like this and you take the drum out, I would really suggest you to clean it, vacuum it. I got this vacuum from my customer and I did a very good cleanup, and I will also post the pictures how it was looking before, and you can see how it looks now.